Welcome to the National Care Alliances. The Care Alliances is dedicated to help improve all areas of individuals' lives and society as a whole. The National Care Alliances has been built to serve every single state and territory of the United States, and we are quickly growing globally. Welcome to the National Care Alliances. The Care Alliances Plus is an additional area of the Care Alliances that looks at all aspects of people's lives and tries to connect resources, relationships, and solutions to help improve all areas of everyone's life. We do our best to try to find ways to improve the quality of life for everyone. Our vision and mission is very simple. Help everyone as much as we possibly can, and to help those who help others so that we can all bring out the best in each other. Everyone needs the Care Alliance because ultimately we all need each other. 19,000 plus cities, 41,000 plus zip codes, 2 million nonprofits, and we have an additional database of 34 million businesses that are not directly on the app yet, but the other components are. We have a database on 19,000 cities, 41,000 zip codes, 2 million plus nonprofits that are currently on the carealliances.com website and inside the two apps. The apps are for Android devices and for Apple devices. So there are two apps in the carealliances.com website. And we're going to show you in additional videos how we connect all those resources together. And we have two international websites, one for Ghana and one for Nigeria. And we've been in discussions with other representatives from other countries. We'll be bringing those up hopefully over the next couple of weeks and couple of months. The Care Alliance system covers all the regions and territories of the United States. And we're quickly building partnerships and collaborations all around the country and all around the world. Our system is built to be high tech and high touch. The tech obviously is in the technology. Even though our website looks like a website, it is actually coded software and it directly interacts with the apps. Everything in our system is completely free, and we're looking forward to learning and expanding and growing from the public and our partners. So we've been improving the system as frequently as possible. Where you see our logo, that is where we physically have partners on the ground already. Maybe it's a nonprofit, a community organization, a government agency, a business. We are quickly growing in all these locations around the country and around the world. The goal again is that we be high tech and high touch. Our entire system is built around what we call the Help Near Me system and solutions. And you will learn more about those in additional videos as well. This entire system, the entire Care Alliance system, is set up again so that we bring out the best in each other. All 8 billion of us is what our goal is. And so we're going to be learning, changing, adapting, expanding, and sharing resources and solutions together. There were 19,000 cities in the United States, as I was stating earlier. This is a partial list of how many cities are in each state. And we're constantly exploring what a Care Alliance would look like in each one of those cities. Again, on both the high tech and high touch side, you can access all these cities so far that we've tested, all appear in our Care Alliance app and website in our Help Near Me system. And we'll share more with you on that as well. And then there are zip codes. There are 41,000 plus zip codes in the United States. We do not have the total numbers here, but we have well over, I think, 20,000 or more zip codes that we account for right here. But in our apps, we definitely account for all 41,000 zip codes. Again, we're constantly testing it out. It has not failed yet. And so you'll be able to access resources in all those zip codes around the country and ultimately around the world and in the U.S. territories. The CareAlliances.com website, thecarealliances.com. This is the initial page for the CareAlliances.com. And as you see, it says the National Care Alliances. This is about your life goals, dreams, hopes. And then we have an entire section built into improving individuals' lives and communities. The Care Alliance is completely free and for everyone, no matter what your life station is in his life, no matter what you're trying to accomplish. But the goal is that we learn how to help each other. And as stated on the site, we need each other. The Care Alliances Plus goes into a lot more detail and looking at specific interests and needs that everyone has in their life. And we're hoping to start a dialogue about how we all bring out the best in each other. If you have an iPhone or any Apple device, you should be able to download the Care Alliances app simply by going into your app store and typing in the word Care Alliances, and should be able to download the device. So far, we have not had any problems with any Apple device in regards to downloading the app. And of course, there's constantly going to be more improvements. We'll go over those as well in additional videos. If you have an Android device, depending on the version of the Android device, if you put in the words Care Alliances in your Play Store, depending on the version of Play Store that you have, you should be able to download the Care Alliances app. But again, there are some versions of Android devices that for some reason do not download the Care Alliances. And so if you are not able to download the Care Alliances as an app on your Android device, then please go to thecarealliances.com. You got to have that S at the end. Thecarealliances.com is a responsive website and a coded website. It literally will look like an app if you just go to thecarealliances.com. And as you see here, we are a tech company that cares. We have other apps, but for now, we want you to download the Care Alliances app to your device. And over the next couple of weeks and months, you'll hear more about our other apps, technology, partnerships, events, and activities that we're going to be doing all around the country and around the world as we keep expanding. Again, you see here in your Apple Store, the Care Alliances with an S at the end. And then your Google Play Store, you have again the Care Alliances logo there. And then here, it's a lot on the screen, but these are the different sections of the Care Alliances. We will gladly share with you the updates here. And we even have a project called the King Streets Project.